Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
MP Barim jong Manipur Dr. Larho SP Fus bajudan hakaseng naga front people mantau lawan ban penyeso yalade hakaseng NPP bat luas syajir ru kum state president jong NPP Manipur lapliang buram ya udah national president kaseng NPP Konrad ke sama harengkat ke jingdan lang kiwai pat kinong yalam jong kani kaseng habakran hakani ke jinglang pediang buram Dr. Larho laong bak Manipur mata kadon pediang ke jinge bat kadang don ru hak jing sensyar president mereka election laong bakam slam shu banwan bat ke Manipur sien kan yo no ya sarkar lajong kum taw laong bahadin balami ki jing kan at Manipur ki Paidbah ki la Phaikhmat menta syak seng NPP bat kan ke election menta kan ke fair bha hak bak NPP ru kan don yak benta ka bakrau banwan ra jing kala Manipur.
And Mr. Ahem Panme, please. He's our working president of the party. And Mr. Nurul Hussain. I'm sorry I've got it wrong, but anyway. Now Mr. Ahem Panme. Yes. Legislature party leader, Mr. M. Rameshwar Singh of the Manipur Legislative Assembly.
So glad that the leadership of the NPP has requested me to take charge of this office. I'm truly thankful. The state of Manipur is going through a lot of turmoil, as I've said. It needs a lot of rethink, a lot of relook into the whatever has been going on. And I think at a time like this, I'm also grateful that the One Northeast movement has also come in, and I'm so privileged to be, come at such a window period, and I'm grateful that we have a huge task ahead of us. The challenges are many, but in spite of the challenges, the rewards are also going to be huge with we overcoming the challenges ahead of us. The state of Manipur is going to come into meet the election. The election year is not very far off. We are at the moment having the president's rule, but hopefully the government of India, the government of the people in Manipur are expecting that something good will come up, that the state will get a new government very soon, and hopefully that should be the way it is. And that will alone probably be able to bring about peace, understanding, growth back into the state once again. We're thankful that the NPP is going to make a great impact in the coming days. NPP will play a very, very important role, and I'm sure that at a time like this when there has been turmoil, a lot of people are looking at the National People's Party as the beacon of hope to bring once again peace and development in the state of Manipur. And today, the leadership in the National People's Party has also appointed a new team of leadership amongst our MLAs, and also probably we will be able to reorganize ourselves even in the state party. New as I am, we only hope that we will get proper guidance from the state, the national leadership, and also those who have been working with the party in the days past. They will come back again and then continue so that we will once again revive the party, not only as, not only at looking at the elections alone, but looking at the people of Manipur who are, so depressed. They have been so deprived of various opportunities. And this will be a time when we will look forward to once again rebuild and take our state also ahead. Not only the state of Manipur comes first, but following that, elections in various other states in the Northeast are also not very far off. And I'm sure that The Manipur unit will continue to be able to bear up to the trust that the party has reposed on us, and that we should be able to work as a team. Leadership has been given to me, but I alone, I know that it is not, I will not be able to achieve anything. It is the contribution of each and every one of us, especially from the state of Manipur, so also from Meghalaya and abroad. There are many who continue to love our state, to love our people. The contribution of each one is so important. The state of Manipur has had a very great, history of being related to other states around the state of Manipur. I'm so grateful that in the One Northeast vision, we also have our Maharaja from the state of Tripura, who has also come and given us a boost. And I'm sure that will have a great impact even in the state of Manipur, because Tripura and Manipur share a lot of common history. A lot of things are there. And so, therefore, I look forward to we working together, not only in the state of Manipur, but also in Tripura and also the neighboring states of Nagaland, Meghalaya, and also in Assam, and also maybe even in Arunachal and Sikkim as well.